Today I decided to challenge myself. I'm gonna only be using shotguns from start to finish. That means I'm not allowed to damage any enemies. I'm not allowed to even shoot a different gun outside of an EVA 8, Peacekeeper, Mastiff, and Mozambique. I'm not gonna lie, outside of this gameplay, I lost a lot of games in ELO. So if you guys could hit the like button, it would be greatly appreciated. So we're gonna get into the gameplay, but before we do that, I wanted to give a huge shout out to our sponsor, and that is Samsung Galaxy. They've actually sent me a couple phones, and one of the phones I want to talk about today is insane. So it looks normal, it looks completely fine, but this phone has a magic trick. It folds. So this is actually the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. You can open it up or you can close it and use it like a normal phone, and it's actually so crazy. I use this as my main phone now. It has so many cool features, and we're gonna talk about them. First up, this gorgeous screen has 120 hertz refresh rate. So if you're playing a game like COD Mobile, you're gonna have a massive advantage over some other companies that I'm not gonna name when their phones, you know, they have 60, 90 maybe refresh rate. Also has 12 gigabytes of RAM. You can literally run any game on this. You're not going to drop any frames. You're not going to lag. It's going to be a really smooth gaming experience. Another mind-blowing feature is that you can literally split up your screen and have multiple games or multiple apps open. As you can see right now, I have the browser and I also have one of my YouTube videos playing. It's also water resistant, so if you want to play in the shower or something, you're good to go. Anyways, make sure you click the link in the description to check out this phone, and let's get into today's video. All right, we're hot dropping. I am gonna try to use only shotguns today. We'll see how it turns out. My teammate is AFK. That's unfortunate. Hopefully he comes back. You know what? I might need to use a gun. Nope, never mind. Shotgun right here. Okay. One dead. My teammate's the one who found the Mastiff. Can you not climb? Hello? Okay. Another one down for the count. I think the other guy, last guy, ran away. Good job, team. Wait, no, he didn't. Okay. What the heck? Nice. Oh my god, these nades are being perfect. Quickly thrown. Okay. Two dead. Dang, they already revived both. Alright, I'm out. I don't know if I can win this game shotguns only, I'm not gonna lie. Very sweaty match. Oh, that was huge. Free loot. Let's go. That was real big. Thank you, game. They should have another teammate somewhere. Not sure where though. Any shotguns? Nope. No shotguns. People fighting. I don't know where though. There's 3 in here. Let me push this guy. Okay. Oh my god, that's massive. That's huge. Try to get up to this guy. Okay. Knocked him. Okay. Come on. Why are you here? What are you doing out here? Come on. So close. Come on. Come on. Okay. Oh. 2 heat shields, great. I'm coming. This is actually like such a crazy match. I cannot believe that we're doing so well right now. 10 kills. 10 kills, shotguns only. Oh, there's people over there. I think it's a Kraber. Is that a Devo? That's 2 devotions? Hell no. It's kind of toxic. Teammate, let's go back. I don't want to fight it. I do not want to fight a devotion. I see someone. Teammate. Teammate. Oh, no, dude. No, he's throwing. Run, 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 run. He's throwing. There's still Preds in this lobby. Okay, he's not dead though. Now he's dead. God, dude. What are you doing? I'm just gonna hide in this house. Still 5 teams. I'm trying to get top 3 at least so I get some points. I hear him. No shot, I just got Krabered. No, dude, devotion's so broken. Remove this gun. Remove this gun, dude. Remove it. I literally die in like 5 seconds. Oh, GG's, bro. GG's. We almost 2v3 that lobby. That was a good one.